Okay, the sonography machine for aesthetic from Canada, Clarius L20, the newest version of facial sonography. Okay. So happy to have it. Okay, I wanted to share this unboxing with you. Clarius L20, the smallest sonography ever made. Is it 300 grams?
No, less than.
Oh, less than
280.
280 grams. Really good. Okay. So inside also has a charger and a cable. Stand. And inside there's a battery.
Yeah.
Okay. It can scan the face for 4 centimeters, 40 millimeters inside. So if there is any fillers remaining from the past days, it's not. Oh, sorry. Any old fillers, any defected aesthetic beauty job before, you can see.